Thanks for joining us. This is my friend Mavis, and she's been on videos before. This time we're trying to get her to be able to have better hearing. She wears hearing aids, and she has a small little plastic piece that sits on the very inside of her hearing aid that got stuck in her ear. And so I'd ask her questions and introduce her, but you don't know what I'm saying, do you?
Oh.
That's okay. We'll get that out of your ear for you. So I want to use a tool called the...
You got coffee? Huh?
We can get you some coffee. I was talking about my instrument that I'm going to use.
Oh, I thought I heard coffee.
I know it sounded like coffee. We really need to get your hearing better. Let me have you look at that chair over there while we...
I didn't get, you know what? I didn't get my face washed today because we got a big, what, Tamara?
The power is out, and you did
Power
get your face
outage.
There it is.
You didn't have it here?
It's right there. Can you see it?
Oh. That'll stop it.
Now I can look further back in your ear. Did you fall asleep on me?
It happens all the time.
I am that interesting.
Don't take it personally.
Oh, there's more. There's another little piece we got out. She is really...
She just stays like that.
Yeah. Wow, still getting stuff out. But that device really broke it up really nicely. The big amount is coming out. Nice long ribbon of... Oh, it broke.
Wow.
Cerumen. All right. Oh, there's some up here too, isn't there? Get that. And then...
Oh.
Yeah, still more. Now, when I look in, I see... Mavis, can you hear me any better through this ear?
I don't know.
Hard to say, huh?
Yeah,
Okay. Well, it certainly is cleaner.
good.
So is this better than the sitting at home with the power out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's warmer here.
Yeah, warmer. The amount of wax you were saving up there, we were thinking you were planning on having the power out. Thanks for helping me. So Mavis is feeling better, and we got the wax out. Thanks for watching. We don't do all as many earwax videos like we used to, but it is fun. People always comment that they like seeing them, so I thought I'd throw one out there for you guys. See you next time. Until next time, I'm Dr. Mark Vaughan telling you to stay in good health.